Hello, sewing people of the internet. This video is just to introduce a series of videos that are going to be coming to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a sewing machine that, to be honest with you, I never thought I was going to review. For a long time I was looking for a used one of these and I just haven't been able to find one at a price that I could swallow. Recently I got a request from a viewer. Thank you, Samuel, for prompting me to finally get off my ass, frankly, and just go ahead and do this. So since I really got into the sewing hobby about 10 years ago, I've been aware of the Singer heavy duty machines, and I initially shopped for one and thought I was going to buy one and read some reviews about the machine before buying one and came to the conclusion that it was not the machine for me. The impression I got was that the heavy duty name was really oversold and that it was a cheap, junky machine that was going to break very quickly upon using it. And I've kind of held that opinion ever since, even though I've never owned one of these machines. I sewed on one at a Jo-Ann Fabrics for a couple minutes to try it out, and that's literally all the experience I have with the machine. So, ta-da! I finally bought one. So in the next video in this series I'm going to do an unboxing and my first impressions of the machine, just taking it out of the box and sewing with it initially. And the plan going forward is to do several different videos of this, comparing it to some of my vintage domestic machines and sewing some projects on it to see if my initial impressions were correct and it's a piece of junk and I wouldn't recommend that you buy it, or maybe I'll be surprised and find that it's a great machine and I like it. I can tell you that my bias initially is I don't expect to like this machine. I generally don't care for newer sewing machines. They're filled with plastic parts that seem like they're just going to break, and there's so many high quality vintage machines available for less money that it just doesn't make sense to me to buy a machine like this. However, not everybody is me, and this might be the best way for you to get into the sewing machine hobby, and so I want to give it a fair look. I reached out to Matt from Red Paw Packs because I was pretty sure he had a heavy-duty machine, and he said that he does and he uses it, but not for things like straps and webbing and things, just for lighter assemblies and stuff. So it's obviously a machine that can be useful, and I want to try to explore that in this series. The reason I'm doing this video is I know some of you have questions, or maybe you have one of these machines and have opinions or things that you want me to point out or whatever. So this is your chance to comment in the comment section below and let me know what things I should look out for or what questions you have about the machines, and I'll try to address those in upcoming videos. This series of videos is probably going to take a while, maybe even months or even over a year for me to get to all the things I hope to do, and it might stop suddenly if this machine catastrophically breaks. So if you're interested in this machine, if you're thinking about buying one tomorrow, then I probably can't help you, but if you've been thinking about one of these and you can wait for a little while longer to kind of see what I learn, then make sure you're subscribed, click the bell and all that stuff so you can be updated when I upload videos about this machine. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in upcoming videos.